How to send money from the US to the United Arab Emirates. Best methods with low fees. Sending money from the US to the UAE sounds simple until you compare two transfers that look similar on the surface. One shows a tiny fee, the other looks slightly more expensive, and yet the second one can still leave more dirhams in the recipient's account. That is the trap almost everyone notices too late. The real cost is not just the fee, it is the fee plus the exchange rate markup, and that hidden difference is what decides the best method in the end. What actually makes a method? The smartest way to compare providers is to look at the total amount delivered, not the headline fee. In the US, remittance providers must disclose the fees they collect, the exchange rate, and the amount expected to be delivered. And on Wise's current US to UAE calculator, bank-linked funding options come in cheaper than card funding, which is a strong reminder that how you pay matters almost as much as who you use. Option 3. Cash pickup with Western Union when speed matters. If your priority is urgent access, Western Union is one of the strongest practical routes. Its US pages for the UAE say you can send to a bank account or cash pickup, and its general U site says some transfers can be available for pickup in minutes. That makes it useful when the person in the UAE needs money fast and does not want to wait on a bank deposit. The honest trade-off is why it stays at number 3. Fast cash convenience is not usually where the lowest total cost lives. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau says remittance costs include both provider fees and exchange rate costs, so a quick pickup option can still end up costing more overall than a bank-to-bank transfer. That part is an inference, but it is exactly the comparison most people forget to make. Option 2, OFX for larger bank transfers. OFX moves higher because it becomes more interesting when the amount starts to matter. Its US pages for sending to the UAE show an OFX fee of $0 on the quote example, and its U fee frequently asked questions says there are no transfer fees from OFX United States, while also noting that third-party banks may still deduct fees, adding 24/7 support, and it starts to feel like a stronger fit for bigger bank transfers where a small exchange rate difference can matter more than a flat fee. That said, number 2 is not the default winner for everyone. OFX emphasizes competitive rates rather than a fixed cheapest for all promise, so the real value depends on the live quote you get at that moment. In other words, it can be a very smart option, but you still need to compare the final amount in AED before sending. Option 1. Wise for the best overall low-cost balance. For most people, Wise is the strongest overall method. Its current US to UAE pages say it uses the mid-market exchange rate, shows fees upfront, and on today's calculator, the cheapest route is funding from a Wise balance, with bank transfer and direct debit also cheaper than debit or credit card. Wise also says many transfers arrive fast, with most US to UAE examples on its page arriving within hours or by the next business day depending on payment method. This resolves the whole comparison. The method that usually wins is not the one that shouts no fee the loudest, it is the one that keeps the exchange rate honest and the price invisible. Wise is not the best pick if your recipient specifically needs cash pickup, but if they can receive a bank deposit, it is usually the cleanest balance of low fees, transparency, and speed. This is general info, not financial or legal advice, the method that usually saves more. So the best method depends on the real goal. Western Union makes sense when speed and cash pickup matter most. OFX becomes more attractive for larger bank transfers where fee-free sending and human support matter more. But Wise is the best overall choice for most US to UAE transfers because it attacks the part that usually costs people the most, the hidden spread inside the exchange rate. And that is the detail that turns a cheap transfer into a genuinely cheaper one. If you enjoyed the video, hit like and I leave a video on screen that may be of interest to you. You can click it to watch. See you next time.